In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new folder in Microsoft Word. Creating folders is a simple but essential skill that helps you keep your documents organized, especially when you're working on multiple projects. While folders are actually created through your computer's file system, rather than directly inside Word itself, I'll guide you step by step so you can neatly store and manage your Word files on a Windows PC. To begin, make sure your Word document is open. If you're working on a new file, click on File, then select Save As. This is where you'll be able to create a new folder. When the Save As window appears, choose the location where you want the folder to be created. This could be your desktop, Documents folder, or another preferred location on your computer. After selecting the location, look for the New Folder button near the top of the Save As window. Click on it, and a new folder will appear, allowing you to type a name. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Once you've entered the folder name, press Enter to confirm. Now that your folder has been created, double-click it to open it. You'll now be inside the new folder, and this is where your Word document will be saved. In the File Name field, type the name of your document, then click Save. Your file is now securely stored inside the new folder you just created. If you prefer to create a folder before opening Word, you can also do this directly from your desktop or through File Explorer. Simply right-click in the location where you want the folder, select New, then choose Folder. A new folder will appear, and you can immediately type a name for it. Press Enter to finalize it. After that, open Microsoft Word and save your document into that folder by navigating to its location during the Save As process. Organizing your documents into properly named folders makes it much easier to find files later, especially as your projects grow. It reduces clutter, improves productivity, and keeps everything structured in a professional way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.